If you're scared that China is going to spy on you, or you just want to test DeepSeek in your computer or device, then this video is going to be for you. Let's see how it's done. So the first thing you should do is to go to olama.com and download Olama, which is responsible for running language models on your device. You just click here on download, and then you're going to pick which operating system you have. For me, I have a Windows, so I'm going to download Windows. You just click here on download for Windows. Now, after you download it, you're going to go to the setup, and it's going to show you this one, and you just click install. So you give it a little bit of time for it to install on your device, and it seems very fast for me because I have an i7. Now what I'm doing here is enabling Windows subsystem for Linux, this one here, and you should too. So to find this tab here, all you have to do is to go to your Windows and search for Windows features. Yep, this one here, and you just click on it, and it should show you this one here, and you just click OK. And once you click OK, this apply and change happens. And after you do that, maybe it will ask you to restart the Windows. I'm not going to restart the Windows right now, but if it causes a problem later, then I'm going to restart the Windows. The next thing you should do is go to docs.docker.com, and then go here. We need to install Docker this time. So you just click on get Docker here. It will take you to this page. Again, you have to choose one that depends on your operating system. For me, I'm going to choose Docker desktop for Windows. We wait a little bit. Again, Docker asks me to restart the PC. I guess everything asks you to restart your PC these days. So after you get Docker done and installed in your desktop, you have to go to docs.openwebui.com, and then you're going to install this web UI, which is a graphical interface for your language model. From here, you want to go to quick start. Yeah, you just scroll down, and it should tell you to choose between these. It's automatically put to Docker, so just leave it like this. And now we're going to have to copy those codes, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy. Now I have Docker open and I have CMD open, and I'm going to just paste that code, the CMD code. Now as you can see, it may take time, so you have to give it some time. Now the image is downloaded, and to check if your image is downloaded, you have to go to images in Docker, and you're going to find this one called the OpenWebUI. If you have that, that means it's downloaded. For me, it took around 40 minutes. For you, it may take more or less, depends on your internet speed. Now we go back to the website, which gave us the instructions. We go into step 2, which is running the container. Now, of course, on Docker you can just do it here manually, but we're going to just copy this and paste it here on CMD. Now I already did it, and you just press enter. After that, you just go to the containers again, and yeah, it was empty before. Now you have it here, which is running. Moment of truth is we click this link here, and it should take us to the graphical interface. For me, it's really the first time I do it. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill the informations here. Now what you have to do is to go back to olama.com, and we're going to click here on DeepSeek R1, which is going to take us to the DeepSeek page. And now we're going to pick one of the parameters first. So for example, if you click this, you may notice that the code here changes. So you can pick one of those. And if you ask me, but what do I pick? Well, I tell you, it depends on your hardware, and personally I didn't try those yet, so I'm going to go with the weakest. And yeah, weakest, it means less smarter language model, and that means your PC can handle it. And if you are sure that you have a good PC, you can choose like something like 70 parameters here and go ahead for it. Just make sure you have enough space to download it, because this one is 43 gigs. Anyways, for me, I'm downloading the 1.5, which is the weakest one. And how I did that, I just clicked here on the arrow, and then I copied this, as you can see, and pasted it here, and it should show you here the DeepSeek R1 or whatever. You just click on it, and it should start downloading. And now, obviously, it's going to take some while, so I'm going to wait for it and come back to you. Now the model is downloaded, and to check if it's downloaded, you just click on the arrow, and it's going to show you here DeepSeek. Now that's pretty much it, and you can, let's experiment it here. I didn't select the model, and yeah, now I did. And as you can see, it's a simple prompt. If I give it another prompt, it's going to take some time to think. Anyways, I noticed it took almost half of my CPU, as you can see here, maybe more. And this is the OBS Studio, which I'm using to record this video. And with more parameters, it may take more of your CPU usage. But the thing I didn't tell you about is the web UI. The web UI, this one, it have the support for NVIDIA's GPUs and I think other GPUs as well, which can help you use it more efficiently, because GPUs are more efficient than CPUs when it comes to language models. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you in the next one.